Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Today we are going to be reviewing the Beetles nail tips and glue gel kit. The first thing I'm going to be pulling out is the nail tips. And please excuse my scissors that are laying wide open over there. I didn't realize it when I was recording. The second thing is the application guide. Oh, you get pictures and you get the directions under there. That's a plus. Very helpful. The next thing I'm going to be pulling out is the little lamp, which is super cute. Get your USB. It doesn't come with an adapter, but I'm sure we all have an adapter or something we can plug it into. No big deal. The next thing I'm going to pull out is your glue gel. I'm going to plug in the little lamp. Give me a second. I did buff and clip my nails and all that stuff off camera. I like the fact that on these directions you don't have to etch inside the nail. Alright. It doesn't have a button. You hit under here, it'll turn off on its own. So if you tap it again, it's not going to go off. See? Alright, let's pull out these nails. While I'm pulling out these nails, I'm going to read the directions. It says file shape and buff nails. Cleanse the nail, so you can cleanse it with alcohol. Choose the proper size nail tip. Take an appropriate amount of nail glue gel. Apply it on the false nail tip. Place the nail tip on the nail. Lightly press it to expel the bubbles. Yeah, you don't want bubbles under there. And then cure under the UV LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. I laid out my sizes. Okay, here's a tip. Make sure your lamp is on so it's already ready to go. And less is better. This stuff is thick. And these nails have a good hold section on them. The less you use, the better. The more you use just means more spillage, more filing and buffing, in my opinion. My index finger is off camera. I didn't realize it, but you will see with my thumb how much I used, and it was perfect. You see I already have my lamp on when I'm going under, which made it easier for me. I didn't have to tap it. Overall, I do like this kit. It's not expensive. The nails feel like gel nails. They're not flimsy. I definitely would recommend, and you get your money's worth. You don't have to etch inside the nail. I did apply primer to my nails after I buffed and all that. Alright, you're going to see with my thumb how much I applied. And how it filled my nail up perfectly, and there was no spillage. But yeah, overall I like this kit. I recommend it. On Amazon for $19.99. I hope you enjoyed my video. After I applied my nails, I did buff them and applied the gel color I chose and top coated it. Look at that. Look how perfect it filled my nail thumb up. And I didn't even use a lot. And I just want to add in there, the lamp doesn't get too hot. It works perfect. And I'm going to be showing you how my nails look all applied. And I got pictures at the end of the gel that I chose to apply on top of these nails. I will be updating you how long the nails lasted. And I got pictures at the end of the gel that I chose